This is Tara Delissia. Welcome to my channel. And before I go into the video, if this is your first time coming by, I welcome you with open arms, with a lot of love. And if you're returning back, welcome back. And it's always good to see people just come by and see what I'm doing next in my videos. It never amazes. It always amazes me. It always amazes me, and it makes me happy that I could put things out there for people to see, to watch by, or just to be entertained. So, before I get into it, there's some important things. First, you must do, please, just subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for all other videos that will come to you and let you know when it's posted. So this title of this video is a Walmart beauty box review. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's just a beauty box that Walmart has for that they do quarterly. They give out 4 beauty boxes a year, and I've been getting this for like literally for a whole year now, and I love it. They give you samples, and now they're branching up and starting to give out full size things like BoxyCharms or something like that. So yeah, I love it, and I just received it a couple of days ago, and I'm just now doing the boxing. So let's get into it. How do you open this box? Number 1. Oh, okay. Alright, so it comes in this box right here, and it has the Walmart logo. And also they go by they'll have you do a short quiz on what type of skin, what kind of makeup, and the hair products you use, and which I use pretty much everything. My skin type is from oily to dry to oily. So in the summer months it's oily skins, and for the wintertime it's dry products. So this is what they gave me. Okay, they gave me some, let's see what this is. Oh, this is Wakari. I actually use this stuff, and it makes your hair really soft. And what it is optimum moisturizer for finger dry detangler. I have tangled hair because my hair is natural, and it's really good. It smells good. It's an advanced conditioner, and you can apply it to wet and dry hair. It smells really good, and it's from Wakari. And also they give you some Find Your Happy Place Sun Kiss Ocean Wave hand cream, some hand lotions, which I love lotions. That's my go-to, and it's by Find Your Happy Place. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah. And also, this is a lip balm, I believe. Instant filler by Y&K, and I love Y&K products. And what this is, I don't think I opened it. It's a lip gloss, I believe. Makeup, and it's in the color of Bitten Pouch. I haven't opened this yet. I probably use it in a tutorial when I do my tutorials. They also give you some sample size of Cetaphil extra gentle daily scrub. They also have the Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. And Cetaphil is a real good product. If you have really dry skin, you suffer from psoriasis or eczema, this is a good moisturizer to use. I started using Cetaphil, and I love it. And you can take these type of products on if you're going on a trip, or you're going to the beach. If you live near a beach, or you're going out of town to a beach, that would be the best products to have. Also, they give you some a full size of the samples. This is not a sample. the Listerine Ready tabs, and the color is the Chewable tablets clean mint. And I use this all the time. I love these. I used to eat them as candies. Don't ask me why, but I did. And these are good. Like if you go to dinner or lunch, you just pop one in, chew it, and bam, you got some fresh bread there, boo. I got. And yeah, so it come with 2, 4, 6, 8 tablets. And that's what let's see what else. And also the Walmart beauty box contain the what kind of products you have inside your beauty box, and explains to you, which I really love. And actually, my aunt Krista, she actually introduced me to the Walmart beauty box because she does it, and also she does reviews about the beauty box. Her beauty boxes are the full size, so I don't know how she got it, but it's okay. So that's what the beauty box consists of. And if you go get these today, they are available online, walmartbeautybox.com, and they go by monthly. Quarterly subscription. Yeah. You get like maybe a summer box, fall box, winter box, and a spring box. And I love this. If you want to order one, it starts at $6.95. I believe $6.95. And I'm not sure if they do it every month, but I know they do it quarterly now, because everything, when I was getting them then, it was a quarter every quarter, but I read off somewhere it said every month. So this is a cool box that you get. It's pretty much like another BoxyCharm or Etsy and Ipsy or Etsy. I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry, you guys. So yeah, so if you guys want to break out with the beauty box, go to walmartbeautybox.com and get yours today. And again, this is Tara Delissia. I hope you enjoyed this review and you like what you see. And I will post the link in the bottom of the description where you can order yours today. So I love you guys. See you soon. Make sure you guys stay safe. Stay 6 feet, social distance, and make sure you wear your mask, and also get vaccinated. If you're against vaccination, that's okay. Those who are for it, go. If you have to, get vaccinated today. So you guys be blessed. I love you, and see you later. Bye.